The Vent Axia VA100 has a long-established reputation as one of the most reliable bathroom vans available. The VA100 has two initial options. Mains 240 voltage for installation in zone 3 of a bathroom, and the SELV or safety extra low voltage versions at 12 volts for installations in zones 1 and 2. The VA100 is suitable for wall or ceiling mounting and can be used as a window fan in conjunction with the Vent Axia 254101 window kit shown here. Each of these power options offers 7 different operation functions, and with the addition of thermoelectric shutters on many of the units to help minimise backdrafts when the unit is not in use, the VA100 series covers all possible installation requirements for bathroom installations. To top this off, the range is also available in low carbon models that use just 3.4 watts, making the units extremely energy efficient, using less power than most LED bulbs. With a 2-year warranty as standard and a 5-year motor warranty on the low carbon models, the Vent Axia VA100 is a tried, tested and trusted range from one of the country's leading and most loved manufacturers. Check out the range now at extractorworld.co.uk.